Hi Sherry, so today I'm going to explain how I search for wholesale items on Amazon with the price list that we have, and how I enter the data and what I do in order to find the items that are on the price list that we have. So first of all, I'm in the directory where all the price lists are. So firstly, I just open up one of the price lists. Now I find it easier just to download it, so that it's just easier for me to open up, download it. So I've got here a list of products. Now there's one thing that I didn't mention to you when I was telling you about the items on the price list. Now here you'll see some items will have what's called a UPC code. Now UPC code is just the barcode number that's on every item, and each UPC code is different. It's a unique identifier, so you can't have a UPC code for two different items. So if we have a UPC code, we don't actually have to look on Amazon for the product. So in this case, we have a UPC code. What I do is just copy that, put it in the async column where you put the Amazon async. The price $3.95, $3.45, and the description. And that's all we need to do. We don't need to look at Amazon. If we have a UPC code, we just do that. Now, on the other hand, let's assume that we don't have a UPC code. So let's assume that this column doesn't exist. So what we would do is, firstly, I take note of the brand. The brand is called Bronco Bob's, so that's what we're looking for. Now the name of the product is roasted raspberry chipotle sauce, so copy that into our search bar. Now all sorts of different ones are coming up, and here we have Bronco Bob's. So I might just put Bronco Bob in front. So here it is, our page that we need. And you'll see down here the UPC, which matches with the UPC here. So we have a bottle of Bronco Bob's roasted raspberry chipotle sauce here. Now, like, this price list doesn't have a picture. Now, if you weren't, because sometimes there's well, in this case there's only one size, 15.75 ounce. Now, if you wanted to make sure, if you weren't 100% certain, I would just go to their website. So here's broncobobs.com. So on their website they'll have a list of their products. So here we go here. Bronco Bob's sauces. So on the website they'll have a picture of their items. So after the roasted raspberry one, so you can see here, I think it says 15.75 ounce. Just compare it to the picture. Sorry, the internet's a bit slow today. So it's a bit different, but manufacturers usually they change their labels and they make it look, or maybe every 12 months they change the labeling on their products to make it look more modern. But in this case, we can be fairly confident that we're talking about the same product. So if you find a price list and it doesn't have a picture, and you're not 100% sure that the items are exactly the same, like the Amazon item is the same as the one on the price list, then I would just have a look on their website, and their website's usually on the price list. So look at another price list. So here, Mavuno Harvest. So you just go to mavunoharvest.com, or if there's no web address, just do a Google search, and they should have a website, because if they're wholesale, they'll 99% of the time they'll have a website. So yeah, I hope that that helps you in your search. So basically, just to summarize, if we have a UPC code, you don't need to look at Amazon. All you need to do is put in the UPC code here, the price from the price list, and the product description from the price list. If there's no UPC code, then we need to find the AC. So we need to do a little bit more research. So I hope that helps, and thank you for your time.